Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to quickly generate a QR code right inside your Figma project, whether it's for a prototype, a presentation, or just for fun, you are in exactly the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through how to use the QR code generator plugin in Figma. By the end of this video, you'll be confidently dropping QR codes into your designs like a pro, and you'll know exactly how the process works. Let's jump straight in. First off, start by opening up your Figma file. Now, if you haven't used plugins in Figma before, don't worry. This is super easy, and it's something you'll end up doing all the time once you see how useful it is. Look towards the bottom center of your Figma window. You'll see an action bar. That's kind of like your shortcut panel for getting things done quickly. Now here's a little pro tip. You could use your mouse to click on the action bar, but what I personally love to do, and what a lot of Figma users prefer, is to just tap Ctrl+K on your keyboard. So if you're on Windows or Linux, that's Ctrl+K. If you're on a Mac, it's Command+K. This keyboard shortcut instantly brings up the Quick Actions menu, which saves you a few mouse clicks and really speeds up your workflow. With that Quick Actions menu open, you're going to type QR code generator. Don't worry if your spelling isn't perfect, it's pretty forgiving and it'll suggest matches as you type. The idea here is that you're searching through all the available plugins, so if you use plugins a lot in Figma, this menu is going to become one of your favorite tools. Once you see QR code generator pop up in the results, go ahead and click on it. If it's your first time, it might also have a run button. Just hit that. This action launches the plugin right inside your current Figma file, ready to do its magic. Now here comes the heart of the process. The plugin will prompt you to paste in the link or the text you want your QR code to point to. Most commonly, this is a website address, but you could easily use it for a social media profile, a digital business card, or any link that you want viewers to access just by scanning the code with their phone. So paste your link into the field provided. Just make sure it's the full address if it's a site, including the HTTPS// part. That helps ensure it works smoothly when someone scans the code. After you've pasted in your link, look for the button that says Generate and click it. And there it goes. The plugin will process your input, and within a few seconds, you'll see a fresh, fully functional QR code image appear right in your Figma canvas. Sometimes it might take a little moment, especially if it's the first time you're using the plugin, but don't stress, it gets faster with regular use. Now you can move, resize, style, or incorporate this QR code into any part of your project, just like any other Figma object. Remember, you're not just making something for show. These QR codes are scannable and actually work. So make sure you test it out on your phone before you use it in a client presentation or share your design. And that's really all there is to it. You've just saved yourself a ton of time and added another trick to your Figma toolkit. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and tap that like button. Got any questions or tips of your own for using QR codes in design projects? Drop them in the comments below. I always love hearing from you. And if you want more easy-to-follow design tutorials like this, make sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.